walking straight to the hell we made. Why always a wall, babe, when we wanna come closer? Don't tell a million lies, kill the butterflies. I just wanna make things right. Walk, keep us on the road. Try to find what we had before. Can the spark ignite or is it gone? Won't you stop? Don't you shut us down. Speak before we hit the ground. Tell me now what's on your mind. I hear voices telling me you need to let him go. There's nothing there worth fighting for. I just need to know if one thing is true. Do you still love me like you used to do? What?
Silky, straight, ooh, soft, so soft, no tangle, no smell. Hey gorgeous, in case if you're wondering, this unit is from Celiehair. Yeah, this is a 13 by 4 lace front Brazilian straight human hair lace wig. The hair came straight, but you can coil it if you want.
Tell me now, what's on your mind?
So in case if you like this hair, I'm going to leave the link to it on the description box, so don't hesitate to check that out, because I promise you this hair is the softest hair I have ever seen. Is so smooth, you don't need to do much, and the shipping was so fast, so fast. It takes 2 to 3 working days to get to you when you place your order. Okay, just look at that hairline. You guys know I'm so lazy when it comes to plucking hair. I find this so difficult. This unit came already pre-plucked, but you can twist it if you like. I'm not against that, but I like it when it's natural like this with a little bit full edges. They did a great job on it. So as you can see, as I'm combing through this unit, this hair is so soft, like a newborn baby. I promise you, when you touch this hair, you feel this unit, you will get the vibe. You will get the vibe. I'm telling you, you will get the vibe. So I use a hot comb to comb it backward before cutting out the excess lace. Gorgeous, if it is your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate. Please, if you like it here, don't hesitate to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit on that bell icon. And if you like this hair review, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button. If it is your first time here, maybe you don't know how I install my wigs, because this video I don't want to do much. I just want to leave you guys to wash, listen to the background music and wash. But if you don't know how I install my wigs, watch some other of my videos. You're going to see how I install my wigs. I'm not going to explain. I'll just advise you watch the video carefully, and you're going to see the work I did, how I slay this hair. I knock this hair down on flick, guys. So that is it. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box. If you're interested, why not check the description box to get this hair. I promise you, the hair is so cool, So that is it. I will leave you guys to watch. Please, before you go, don't hesitate to subscribe. And there's something I did also in my other videos. I said I no longer use glue to glue my units down, but in this video I use got2b glue spray to glue this wig down. You see, that is what I use, and it was so bomb. So guys, I will leave you guys to watch. Don't forget, this unit is from Celiehair, and I'm going to leave the link to it on the description box, and some other wigs they have, some other gorgeous wigs they have on their website. I'm going to leave them also on the description box, and I'm going to see if there's any discount code. I'm going to leave it as well, so make sure you check the description box. It is very important. All the information you need to know about this wig will be on the description box. All right guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Enjoy this video. Bye.
Don't slip on the drip. Don't slip on the drill. Tempo, tempo. Can you keep up with my tempo? Tempo. Yeah, blowing up. C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, now I know we go wherever that wind blows. The endo. Don't slip on the drill. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the drill. Don't slip on the drill. High key, I know. I send all of my rap foes like they my tadpoles. Yeah. Blow it up, C4. I just had to go crack now on my Depot. Yeah, that Draco bustin' like free throws. I do not miss no shots, I got the cheat code. That's why I never lose. They can't predict my moves. I'm way too smooth, I just caught a groove. This right here, that Charizard, the fire in the booth, had to go right back to it, If you ain't talking about money, please save your breath, don't bring it up to me, I pull up in that stunt like a 007 James Bond type movie, Hey, don't slip on the trip. No. Don't slip on the trip. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the trip. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the trail. Tempo. You keep up with my tempo.